One of the most important topics in HTML is attributes. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. All HTML elements can have attributes. So how we can add an attribute to the element? So here is an example, a paragraph tag, and here is the attribute 1, which has a value, and another attribute assigned to a value. So it's like a variable and you assign it to a value. There are many attributes, so of course we can't cover all of them in one video, but during the tutorial we will explain most of them. So in this video we will cover the attributes that come with image, link, style, and finally input. So starting with image, we have source attribute and alternative attribute. So src, short for source, used to specify the image directory and the name, and alternative, text that appear only if the picture not exists. And here is an example. Here is an image element and src equal to the image directory and then alternative text. So if the image not exist, the text will be appear instead of the image. Then with link, we have hyperlink reference, href, specify the link address or the URL, and then we have target to specify where to open the linked document. And here is an example, a, which is link element, then specify the link for the document, and finally where we want to open the document. We want to open it in the same document or another document. Then we have style attribute. So style attribute specify the styling of an element, like color, font size, and background. We can change the color of any element, or change the font size if it's paragraph, and change the background of any HTML element. And here is an example, paragraph element, which has a color red, so the text will be red, and the background for this paragraph will be green, and the font size will be 25 pixels. And there are many styles. We will see some of them during this tutorial, and when you start learning CSS, you will know more. Then we have input element. So the most attribute that come with input is type. Type specify the type of the inserted data. So the type can be text or password or color, and there are many types. We will see this later. And then we have a value, specify a certain value. So we can specify a value for the input to be like a recommendation for the user. So I think those are the most important attributes in HTML, and during the tutorial we will learn more. So be ready and see you in other lessons.